7A, oil project status, and you have an oral report from City Manager Bakaly.
Tom, the goal of this is to be as brief and informative as possible.
Okay, I kind of wish those little kids were still here that did the recycling one, but so I'll make it brief. You've given us direction that you'd like us to come back and give monthly updates on oil and where we are on oil, really from a logistical basis. And so this is our first one tonight. We started that with our joint meeting with the school district. And so what we'd like to do tonight is just walk you through a couple of things we have going on, give you an update on where we are with the environmental impact report, and then answer any questions that you might have. So it's just really a logistical update. We're not getting into any substantive issues or anything like that as it relates to oil. It's just talking about the studies that are going on and where we are with those. So maybe I'll just step over real quick and
Sure.
put this so that people can see it. Maybe I'll just speak from here. Is that okay? So this is a chart that we've used to really try to kind of pinpoint all the things that are going on with oil. I think there's a lot of focus in the middle there. You'll see the what's actually a green circle, the draft EIR. That's what everybody's been focused on. That'll be the action that you all will be asked to take after a long process. We've just gone out for a request for proposal for that. We're hoping to have the EIR completed in 2013, maybe more like January. At that point, there'll be a public scoping process that you can see with the blue line there that kicks that off. The public will be involved in looking at that. Then that comes to you, and you determine whether or not that meets the California Environmental Quality Act, CEQA. That will be the action that you and the Planning Commission take. There's a lot of focus on the EIR. What does it say? What does it do? We have an application right now that we're determining whether or not that's complete and whether we can move forward with the EIR. So high focus on that. We think there's some other things that are equally as important. There were questions tonight regarding the economic effects. I think in the next couple of days you're going to see some figures from the oil company. Frankly, we want to do our own study. We're recommending, and you all tonight, you didn't talk about it specifically, but in your action on the mid-year budget, you did approve funds for us to go forward with our own economic study. And so that's something that the city's going to be doing, that we're going to be paying for. The oil company will not be paying for that piece. They are paying for the EIR work. The other thing that we think is real important is the health. And so we're going to be also doing a health impact assessment. And that's something that the oil company is going to pay for, but that gets to specific questions regarding any health impacts. So between those three sort of tracks that you have going in the middle there, you've got what technically is happening with the project, with the EIR, what are the economic effects, what are the health effects. So when we talk about sort of sustainability and Hermosa's commitment to sustainability, we're missing one sort of key component there, which is the community. And so that's what you see at the beginning there. And also